Hey everyone, welcome back to Nat and Essie. We have a challenge today. New emotions versus old emotions. Who do you think is going to be a better team player? New emotions or the original 5 emotions? Behind everyone, we have a pink locker, yellow locker, turquoise, light blue, dark blue, and hot pink. Each one of these lockers has a challenge. One of the lockers has a surprise, which needs no challenge at all. And they all have to pick one and see what they have to do. And drum roll please, we have some special judges for this competition. That's right. Oh yeah, Riley is not going to like this. We pulled them all out of her deepest, darkest vault. Hey Riley, you give me a call one day, okay? Maybe we can play some video games together.
I have 3 items in my bag, and one of these items can help you play video games. I've got slime, I've got a science project, and I have a video game. Which one is it?
So, which door are we going to pick? Old emotions are first. Let's start in the middle and pick the turquoise one. Okay, here's our challenge. We've got a whole bunch of perler beads and different molds. The challenge will be to create something out of these beads and see if we know what the image is. Okay, let's create something out of these perler beads. Check it out. I'm gonna put one more bead. Nope, I think that actually works. It's a Goomba. Whoa, I love it. Challenge number 1 is complete. And I think they did a really good job. Time to pick another door. This one seems like it just wants to open up. Ooh, it's a coloring book. The next challenge, or a puzzle, is to draw one of our fun characters. But who's it going to be? Fear. Sadness. Oh my goodness. Anger. I think, oh my goodness. Or, of course, anxiety. Who to pick? Since one of my favorites is sadness, I want to go ahead and get this challenge completed by drawing a picture of sadness. Oh, that challenge was a great challenge. We have a beautiful picture of sadness. I'll make this a little bit darker because I think it needs to be. Sadness looks amazing. So we've got one challenge for each team complete. Oh, 2 challenges is enough. I'm so embarrassed by my drawing. I should have taken a little bit longer and done a better job. Oh, what are you talking about, Embarrassment? You did fantastic and we all love your drawing. Okay, I'm going to try the yellow door. It's a surprise! We got sadness slime. We made this one like a week ago. Check out that texture. Oh my goodness, it's getting a little bit sticky. But we got cloud slime. Maybe that is a challenge. You know what? It is. The goal and challenge is to see if we can make a cloud. Oh my goodness. Can we make a cloud? Really start stretching. And let's see. Twirl it on the table. Big cloud right there. We got it. To make the cloud with this cloud slime, we have to really pull it apart. Cloudy slime. Ooh, I love that cloud. Well, if that was a challenge, all we have left is the surprise. But where is it? Right here. It is! Whoa! It's a giant joy! We found a giant plush! Thanks everyone for watching, and I hope you have fun when you go back to school and you try some fun challenges with your friends. Thanks for watching. This was Nat and Essie.